Honestly speaking, I had lots and lots of memories of IIT Kharagpur.
Welcome to second session of Alum Talks. Thanks to Illuminaries, the students of MHR get a chance to learn from the experiences of our esteemed alumni. Today, we have Mr. Kumar Jagat from the batch of 2007, who presently heads HR strategy at Jindal Stainless. Here, he expressed his views on future workforce management. So, with no further delay, here we present you Mr. Jagat in conversation with Media and PR Committee, MHR IIT.
To start with, I will tell you, one day I was coming from my hostel to the department. And on the way, I heard someone taking my name. Unaware, I just turned and I found, it's a Professor Suar. He was on his scooty and he was calling me. He basically, took me with him to the department and he dropped me there. I have learned the lesson of humility that day. Being a professor, you are calling a student, seeing him that he would walk through, all 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer. You stopped yourself and you asked him to come with you. He was on a scooter. And then also he dropped me at the department. So that was really humble. Second memory, I must tell you, Priyadarshi sir. So she was there in my time. And in fact, one event I remember, we were launching a 3-day event. So it was HR event and we were conducting it massively. So I was supposed to design a poster and, I was supposed to take one of the things from Priyadarshi sir's computer. Okay. He was not there in his residence, and it was we were supposed to launch this poster in the morning, and he called his wife, and I was allowed in at 12 o'clock night in his house. I took those posters from his computer and I carried it back, and that so this shows that your teachers are available 24/7 there, and you have to utilize it. And I have learned that the respect have gone much higher about those professors, that they are available for you for anything 24/7. I started utilizing learning from these professors, and you also do it. I love that. And in fact, this again built up the humility towards these professors. See, it's a unique course. Why? In our days, we used to have MHRM lab. That was a psychology lab conducted by Suar sir, and he was excellent in that psychology lab. Okay, that can make you understand, test or predict human being better. Okay, and none of the human resources course are having that lab, which you guys are having, which makes this program completely unique. You take more advantage of those communications lab you have, those psychological lab you have, and this two things makes this program completely distinct, and they craft you better. I'm in a time travel, and I must tell you that I was remembering each and every day of my MHRM. I still remember. I can imagine I'm walking on the street from my hall of residence to department. I'm walking near VG's home because we used to have classes together. So I recall everything, having fun at VG's, having not the breakfast, not the lunch. So it was called brunch. So we used to take a brunch at Wazy's and all the restaurants available there. We were having lesser restaurant than you guys are having. I've achieved anything in life, but yes, I feel really humbled that you people are calling and learning. In fact, I feel privileged being a part of MHRM that has actually saved my career and translated me to a good human being and placed me in an area in the company where I'm creating or drafting, a better human being, a better, productive human being. So I'm really, really thankful for MHRM department. I recall my conversation with Bunny Chatterjee. She was head of the department at my point of time, and she told me once that why this department, and that too after engineering, because in previous days we used to produce mechanical engineer, and they are having mechanical mindset also. So we require humanities in all human beings, and these courses really transform people to understand emotions, psychology, to test people behavior, and craft it a better human being. Because better you become a human being, you would be productive for the company, for your own. So I really cherish my entire journey of MHRM, and afterwards also, because I worked with great human beings and great companies like Vedanta, Tata, Hitachi. In fact, Tata and Hitachi both, because Hitachi has a different policy and Tata was having different policies, and then Adani and now Jindal Stainless. It has awesome experience.